Hello, my dears. Today, let's chat about a spice rack staple, cinnamon. This fragrant wonder isn't just for holiday baking. It's been prized for centuries, you know. Imagine ancient civilizations trading cinnamon like precious jewels. They were onto something. That warm, comforting aroma? It comes from cinnamaldehyde. This natural compound is what gives cinnamon its unique flavor, and it turns out many health benefits. Isn't that something? We're so lucky to have easy access to cinnamon today. A sprinkle here, a dash there, and you can elevate both sweet and savory dishes. But it's more than just a flavor enhancer, let me tell you. Let's talk about those health benefits, shall we? Cinnamon is like a little superhero for your well-being. Firstly, it's packed with antioxidants. These clever compounds help protect our bodies from pesky free radicals. Think of them as tiny warriors fighting off damage to our cells. And that's not all. Cinnamon is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation, my dears, is a natural process, but too much of it can cause trouble. Cinnamon can help soothe that. Finally, and this one is important, cinnamon can work wonders for blood sugar levels. Studies suggest it may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar. Now, isn't that remarkable for a humble spice? Now, I know what you're thinking. Mary, is this too good to be true? Well, dears, there's actual science behind it. Numerous studies have looked into the benefits of cinnamon. For instance, one study found that consuming cinnamon daily led to a significant reduction in blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Another study showed that cinnamon extract helped reduce inflammation markers in people with arthritis. Of course, more research is always a good thing, but these findings are definitely encouraging. It just goes to show that sometimes the simplest things can have the most profound effects on our health. Section 4. Sprinkling cinnamon into your day. Now, how can we easily incorporate more cinnamon into our lives? It's simple, really. Start your day with a sprinkle of cinnamon in your porridge, yogurt, or even your coffee. For a midday treat, add a dash to your fruit salad or smoothie. And in the evenings, a pinch of cinnamon can enhance the flavor of savory dishes like stews and curries. One of my favorite ways to enjoy cinnamon is in a warm cup of almond milk before bed. It's comforting and helps me unwind after a long day of baking. You could even try baking with it. Section 5. My favorite cinnamon swirl surprise. Speaking of baking, I have a little confession. I have a soft spot for cinnamon swirls. Those soft, fluffy rolls with the irresistible cinnamon sugar filling. They're simply divine. I have a recipe passed down from my grandmother that makes the most incredible cinnamon swirls. The aroma that fills the kitchen while they bake is pure heaven. And the taste? Well, let's just say they never last long in my house. So, my dears, don't underestimate the power of a little spice. Embrace the warmth and flavor of cinnamon and enjoy the wonderful benefits it brings. Until next time, happy baking!